we're going to cover fault code reading, kind of decipher the fault codes. So there's two ways that you can expand to see the fault codes. One is up here with the expand all. This will open up everything. The second way is to do it individually by just going next to where you would like to go and clicking the plus. Now, we're going to decipher this line right here. We're going to go with code 452. So when you see a red circle, this means it's an active fault. Gray means it's inactive. Here's the fault code number, 452. Times 1 is how many times did this fault occur. And if there's a priority to the fault, some don't have priorities, some do. When there is, you'll see the high priority faults here, and then it'll be descending below that. So here's the description of what 452 is. And then when you come over here to the right, you have these three symbols. You have the I, the question mark, and then the troubleshooting. Now keep in mind when you see this world icon right here, it means when you click on this tab, it does require internet to work. So we're going to start with the I. With that being said, that will follow over with the question mark and the troubleshooting. So the I is your timestamp, and freeze frame data will be below that. When I go to the question mark, then it'll go into the effect that it had, possible causes, and then down here is the part related to the fault. So if I simply go over here and click see information, then it will open up and show me the part and where it's located on the engine, transmission, ABS, so on. And then any relevant information that goes along with that. Now you can click this plus button and you can add your own part numbers, upload images. You can even add more information as you choose to any of this information to expand it. And then fault code troubleshooting. Now once we click that, it touches the internet. This is the first time we're touching the internet with anything. So the software is integrated into the software for the troubleshooting information. So you see that in here. And what I mean about that is it's guided. So if I click here to go to step 7, it wants me to verify the repair. So it hyperlinks everything. So if we go on to the next, then the last step is it wants me to clear the faults. So if I click here, it takes me to what I need to do, and then it brings me back. And that's how the Jaltest info is integrated into the Jaltest software to be seamless.